Hi, this is Jeffrey Kerr Financial Group. Today is Wednesday, April 22, 2026. And once again, this week has been highlighted by the impact of the Middle East developments and the price of oil. But I think there might be some new and different influences that are going to be maybe outweighing the Middle East. I mean, certainly the Middle East and price of oil are important, and hopefully we can get them resolved and get back to normal. But I do think, again, the markets are moving beyond that to some level. And what I'm talking about is, number one, earnings. We're in the earnings season, and it's 93 of the S&P 500 companies are reporting this week. Prior to this, about 50 companies have reported, and 92% have beaten the forecasts, with 11% of those with really strong upside surprises. So far, earnings have been good, and there's expectations that they're going to continue to be good, with the overall earnings growth forecast of about 14% year over year, which is strong growth in corporate America. So, and beyond the earnings, I think the other developments forthcoming are the IPOs of SpaceX, Anthropic, and OpenAI. These are huge companies and important companies, and you need stable to rising markets to get these deals done. A lot of stock will be sold, a lot of money will be invested, and a lot of fees will go to the Wall Street firms. And that's the primary motivation, I think, in the next month or so, to keep the market strong and rising in order to get these deals done, and the fees can be made by Wall Street. It's not to say these are unimportant companies or anything like that, but the reality is you need a good market environment to do IPOs, and especially IPOs of this size, and especially three of them, back to back to back kind of a situation. So not to make light of the Middle East and geopolitical headlines, those things still matter, and other developments could also occur and throw this whole equation into more turmoil. But right now, I do think that the market is going to be moving higher. I don't know to what level, but I do think that I expect the market to move up. Could be wrong. It's not investment advice. If you want more on my thoughts and want to talk about that, give me a call, send me an email. But I do think, again, things are going to be okay for these other primary reasons beyond the Middle East and oil. We'll be back on Friday. Thank you for listening. Please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll talk on Friday. Again, thank you. Goodbye.